Third lesson, thermal physics. First question, find the final temperature of the copper rod whose area of cross section changes from 10 meters square to 11 meters square due to heating. The copper rod is initially kept at 90 Kelvin. The value is given, coefficient of superficial expansion value is given 0.0021 per Kelvin. So now find the final temperature of the copper rod. Here the initial area is given 10 meters square. Final area is given. Take A1, final area 11 meters square. So change in area, delta A is equal to A1 minus A0. That means final minus initial. So final value 11 minus 10 is nothing but 1 meter square. Delta A is equal to change in area 1 meter square. Alpha value is given 0.0021. 0.0021 per Kelvin. Here this 0.021 we can write, or the power the point will move left to right 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's nothing but 21 into 10 to the power of 4, 10 to the power minus 4. When a point moving left to right, the power will minus 4 per Kelvin. Both also correct. 21 into 10 to the minus 4 per Kelvin. Now want to find the final temperature. Formula, delta A, that means change in area, divided by initial area is equal to coefficient of superficial expansion into delta T. Delta T is nothing but change in temperature. Now want to find the value. See here, delta A value, already you know that one. How much? 1. Cross multiply A naught. So delta A is equal to A naught into alpha A into change in temperature means T1 minus T0. T1 means initial final temperature minus initial temperature. Now, or we can write T2 minus T1 also. Both also correct. T2 final minus initial. So now substitute the value. Delta A value already you know that one. How much? 1 is equal to A naught value 10, alpha A value 21 into 10 to the minus 4, T2 value want to find minus T1 value is given 90 Kelvin. So 90. So now this 2 value 10 minus 4 10 cancel. So it's nothing but 21 into 10 to the power minus 3 T2 minus 90. 1 into this 2 value cross multiply 1 divided by 21 into 10 to the power minus 3 is equal to T2 minus 90. So 21. This 10 to the minus 3 you take numerator 1 by 21 into 10 to the power plus 3. This is nothing but T2 minus 90. Here 10 over 3 is nothing but 1000 divided by 21 is equal to T2 minus 90. 1000 divided by 21, you will simplify this value, you will get 47.61 is equal to T2 minus 90. So want to find T2 minus 90, you take one side. So both any side you can write T2. T2 is equal to 47.61 plus 90. So T2 is equal to 137.6. The unit of temperature is Kelvin. This is the final temperature of copper rod. Second question. Calculate the coefficient of cubical expansion of zinc bar whose the volume is increased 0.25 meter square from 0.3 meter cube due to the change in its temperature of 50 Kelvin. So calculate the coefficient of cubical expansion want to find. So here change in volume delta V is given 0.25 meter square. Initial volume is given 0.3 meter cube. Volume meter cube. Delta V change in volume 0.25 meter cube. Initial volume 0.3 meter cube. Change in temperature also given 50 Kelvin. Want to find coefficient. So want to find coefficient of the cubical expansion. So coefficient means alpha V want to find. You know the formula, delta V by V is equal to alpha V into delta T. So now want to find delta V. So we can write alpha V want to find. Alpha V cross multiply delta T with V. So it will become delta V divided by V into delta T. So now substitute the value. Alpha V is equal to delta V value 0.25 divided by V value 0.3 into delta T value is given 50. So here 0.25 50 can cancel 0.2 2 times, so 1 time 2 times, so 1.1 divided by 0.6. So it's nothing but 10 by 10. It will become 1 by 6. So the value dividing 1 by 6, 0.0166 per Kelvin. This is the coefficient of cubical expansion of zinc bar.